Hello, lovely people. It's Hila here, Saturday Night Stitch, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we're going to start off with a browse through of Ottobre 5 2018. A truly outstanding magazine, I think. It has a really great selection of patterns that easily go from formal all the way through to casual lounge wear. And I'm not kidding when I say I would literally make every single thing that's on the line drawing. They even have a pattern for a slip on there. So Ottobre Design Women only comes out twice a year. But that's because they principally do children's clothes, and that's how I discovered them, through children's clothes. But as you can see, this issue has got a lot of really great basic styles and some really fantastic silhouettes, and you've also got your coats as well. So it's a very small magazine, but absolutely worth it. And so for me, from this issue, I basically selected a size 38 based on my bust measurement of 88 centimeters for the dress that I made, which I'm going to show you just after the browse through is done. And that's the dress called Rosy Dreams. It's a really lovely looking sweater dress silhouette, which has got some raglan sleeves, and it's got a blousony effect because the sleeve is in two parts. There's an indication that there might be some shaping in this dress, because on the line drawing you can see that it goes in ever so slightly underneath the bust line. I did make an alteration with the pockets, and that's because the pocket pattern piece on this dress, I don't know why, but it is super small. It is very, very small. The moment I traced it, I was just like, there's no way this would work for me, even once I've added seam allowances. For me, when I put my hand in the pocket, my entire wrist should be able to go into the pocket, as well as my phone. So I ended up using the standard template that I normally use for my pockets. So I'm going to hand you over from voiceover to the actual Hila now. Hello, lovely people, and welcome to my channel. It's Hila here, Saturday Night Stitch, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's post is a super short, quick one to show you a dress that I made recently from Ottobre Design Women's magazine, and I love the dress. I made it in a lined fleecy fabric. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Move the chair out of the way. Oh. Just a second. Okay. I get pockets. You can see it's got that sleeve. It's a two-part sleeve, raglan sleeve, and then it's got slightly blousony. I used some knit ribbing for the cuffs. Oh, this is the second change that I made, by the way. I made these much smaller. When I first cut them out using the pattern piece, they were really quite baggy, but I've got small wrists, so I changed the size of those, but that's a simple change. The other change that I made was I made this much wider because the scoop neckline is quite low, and in winter I want things to be, absolutely covering me up. But I think this is what it would have looked like had I not made the neckband thicker. I'm obviously layered it under my thermals. I'm always wearing my thermals. But yeah, this is what it looks like. See, it's this lovely fur bag. I'll just show you the inside out. So here it is on the inside, and you can see the sleeve here. It's got a little bit of a dot just to give it a bit more shaping. I did it all on the overlocker, okay, and that's where the pockets go. Because the fabric is quite stretchy, I had to use some stay tape on here so that this doesn't stretch out. As you can see, it doesn't stretch out where the pocket is, but over here you've got some stretch. The fabric has got is it called two-way stretch or is it four-way? So it stretches along the straight grain and it also stretches along the cross grain. But it is so cozy. It is absolutely cozy. Yeah. So it's got some pleating to give those lovely blossomy sleeves. And there we go. So yeah, so that is the Rosy Dreams dress from October 5, 2019. I love this issue. I expect that over the next few years, I'll probably make every single thing that's in this issue. In terms of the sizing, I think I could have gone down a size. It is quite baggy and not quite as shaped as I would have liked it to be, but that's a simple fix. The next time that I make it, I just won't add the seam allowances because I traced out the pattern without any seam allowances, and I think that it will be fine. Despite that though, I love how this dress turned out. This is the third time that I've been wearing it, and I've been walking out and I've been feeling very comfortable and chic, but at the same time, I'm feeling very cozy, which is always a win-win. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found the video useful, entertaining, or informative. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up down below. Until I see you next time, guys, happy sewing. Bye.